Hey tubers, as Ron down in Texas would say, today is January the 30th, 2010. Snow flurrying up here right now. It's only birds back around the next to the neighbor's barn. But anyhow, it's only 10 degrees, and I quote that, 10 degrees. The tractor hasn't ran at all, so we're going to see if it starts up. I can't promise you nothing because it's cold out here. It's so cold out, I've got 3 shirts on and a sweatshirt. And by the way, Ron, we're wearing our international colors today. So, you know, with your red shirt and the thing, you look like a superhero with extra cape. Well, I got my international shirt on. So, see what happens. See? It's cold. That's not the only one. Look up the battery. It's too far to do this. You know, where I can look at this thing. I don't think she's going to start. Nope. Oh well. This video will be still in. You can see yourself. It's cold out here. Everything's construction. I'm sorry to say, this video is what's going to be called a cold no start. So, oh well, we tried. But like I said, it's awful cold out here. And you can see it's snow flurrying. My brother lives down in Virginia, down in Louisa County, Virginia. And this morning, my nephew called up and told them they already had 8 inches of snow, and they're expecting 14 to 20 inches of snow. Now they have a Ford diesel tractor, and he had it already run this afternoon. So, with that, this ends the video. Sorry, she just won't start.